had some mimosas and some breakfast and some best friend time. We surpassed 1,500 subscribers. So this is the couch. Let's go pick up your medicine, okay? Okay. Welcome back to another vlog. I am done up, y'all. I am on my way to brunch and I am running really late. It's typically not like me to run this late, but y'all, things just happen, okay? And I had to stop and get gas and the gas pump was not working. I'm like, I know it ain't my car, like what is going on here? But just crazy. Nonetheless, I'm on my way to brunch to decompress, have some me time, have some mimosas and some breakfast and some best friend time. I feel like usually I start the vlogs with a montage and no montage. But I will definitely montage brunch for sure. Okay, y'all, I gotta catch y'all up because it has been a week since I've last picked up my camera, and your girl has been taking care of baby Nia. Y'all, she got sent home twice last week. She had a fever over 100, so I had to pick her up. She went to the doctor twice last week, and she is just home recovering. She's just very irritable. So just been in full on mommy mode 24/7. So I've been staying home with her, and more than likely she'll be home tomorrow, recovering. So I don't know, fingers crossed that she'll be okay by like Tuesday to go back to school. I don't know, but we will see. I mean, my main priority is her feeling better and her health at this point. So if she has to stay home a full week, then she would just stay home another week. It is what it is. But I was telling y'all last week when I read my devotional about just really enjoying the moments and being in your kid mode, right? Your carefree, live your life type of mode. And that's what also prompted this brunch. As you guys know, I've really been in the house a lot more than usual. So I'm like, you know what, let's do brunch, let's go out, you know, get cute and just have a vibe and just be carefree and, you know, catch up, because I gotta catch up with my girl, because this is my girl, okay? So I'm really excited about that. My sister is staying with Nia, so she is in good hands as always. I'm just happy to be getting out of the house. Hey guys, I am back home. It is, it's time for you to go to bed. Say hey. It's like 9:30 at night, so we are laying down relaxing in the bed. But yes, y'all, brunch was so good, so fun. We ended up going to the bar right after brunch and just have more conversation. Like, we had so much to catch up on. It was so nice to catch up with my bestie. I love her so much. So yeah, that was today, y'all. I felt like I really wanted to vlog like a get ready with me as I was getting dressed, but it just didn't happen that way, unfortunately. But it's all good. It is all good. But yeah, we are about to go to bed, and I'm gonna check in with y'all first thing in the morning. Bye. Happy Monday. So today I am working from home. Baby girl is home with me. Hey. She's watching Miss Rachel. You gotta walk before you run, baby. So I'm currently eating some breakfast. I wanted to make a really like healthy, protein packed breakfast this morning. Hey! Your nose is running, honey. Okay. Yeah, baby girl, her nose is still running, but she is overall feeling a lot better today. She's been walking all around the house all day. Watching Miss Rachel. You like being home with mama? Yeah. But yeah, I had a meeting this morning and baby girl had her breakfast, so I'm trying to eat mine now with my coffee. I think I have like 2 other meetings today, and maybe like 1 or 2 things that I actually need to like get done and like deliver on today. But otherwise, today's gonna be a really light day. We are going to wash all of the I don't want to say cushions, I forgot what they're called. Basically we're gonna wash the couch. So the couch came yesterday, and at first I'm like, is there another box that's supposed to be coming? And no, it was all in one box. My sister and I, we, you know, opened it up and kind of let everything like air out. Things are still trying to like fluff up, but I feel like there's like a weird odor. And the way that the couch is, you can like unzip like the fabric around like the couch and like the pillows. So I want to unzip all of that. I want to throw it in the washer machine and then put it back on, because I don't want to like chill and be laying and have my face in the pillows and all that. Same with her, and she has eczema, so we're definitely gonna wash that today. Yeah, today's really gonna be doing stuff around the house. Yeah. And tomorrow's garbage day, so I have to make sure I take all of the garbage in like the boxes and all the plastic and everything that the couch came in to the big little trash can that I have, and then I need to pull the trash can outside to the curb. But I'm about to eat my breakfast, and then I'm gonna check in with you guys once I'm done. Okay, y'all, so I am done eating. Yes. So we are about to take the, I feel like I just can't think of the word for it, but basically the fabric off of the couch so we can wash it. But before I do that, I want to show you guys what it looks like right now, and I want to let y'all know this is temporary, so I'm still going to add a couple of things, but let me show y'all. So this is the couch. What I love about this couch is that it sits directly on the floor, so I don't have to worry about baby girl having toys and everything else underneath the couch. So few things. I feel like the pillows are not as like fluffy as I would want them to be, so I'm going to get new fillers for the pillows. I'm also going to get some like really big white accent pillows to go on this couch because I just want the decor to be like black, white, silver, maybe a little hints of gold here and there. So that's kind of the vibe. And yeah, we're about to get this in the washer.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you
You got your diaper change, girl. You gotta change your little diaper, Janie, baby. It's full. You gotta take all your diapers out to the trash man, girl. Yeah. Alright, go ahead and play. Okay, honey, I got your snack. We got applesauce and some crackers. We're probably not gonna do the oatmeal, but let's see. You like it? More? No? Yeah. More applesauce? More? No? You don't like your applesauce? You don't want it? Want your crackers? You have to eat the crackers, not break them up and throw them on the floor, okay? Okay? Yeah. Are you gonna eat your crackers? Or are you just gonna play with them? Hmm? You must not be hungry. Nia. Seriously? 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 Let me get your water. You must not be hungry, honey. But yeah, I'm gonna find me something to snack on. I'm not really sure what it's gonna be. I consider making tuna again since I do have avocado, but I don't have any bread. I mean, I could put it on crackers. I don't know. Let me think about it. I gotta think about it. I'm almost done washing everything for the couch. So yeah. I don't know if I told y'all, we surpassed 1,500 subscribers. Oh, girl! Y'all are the best. Y'all are really the best. It means a lot, especially for like us, like smaller, like YouTube girlies. Come on, let's go. I feel like we're gonna be at 2K like before we know it. Before the end of the year, we gonna claim it, okay? So if you're not subscribed and you made it this far to the video, subscribe. Subscribe to us. We gotta be family, y'all. Okay. So this week, I'm just gonna do a weekly vlog. I'm gonna take a quick little like week break from our In My Healing Era series, just to kind of take a little breather, okay? I just have a lot going on and I just want to make sure that those vlogs are very intentional. So this is just going to be like our standard weekly vlog and just kind of like our day-to-day stuff that we just get into, you know what I'm saying? So that's what this vlog is really going to be. But I wanted to show you guys. So yesterday I went to brunch and it was kind of like a belated birthday for my best friend, and she ended up bringing me a gift for Mother's Day, which was a few weeks ago, maybe almost a month ago. So I wanted to open it and see what she got for me. And this is actually from her and my goddaughter. So, hey London. Okay, so what do we got? Ooh, we got some wine. We got some white Zinfandel. There's something else in here. Ooh, and we got a candle from Bath and Body Works. This is the Bridgerton Study. I haven't smelled the Bridgerton ones yet. Oh my gosh. This smells so freaking good. What are the notes on this? That's why I love it. Smooth amber. Amber is like I just love that scent in a candle. So it's smooth amber, oakwood, dried orchards with natural essential oils. Oh, I cannot wait to burn this. Thanks, best friend. I love you.
Can you count 5 strawberries with me? Did it! Let's take something out. Good job. Take it out.
That took me longer than expected, but all clean, all clean. So I kind of did that little thing with the pillows. But like I said, I'm going to get some like fluffier filling for these because I want some like big pillows. So that's what we got. Hey girl, it's another day. Happy, what's today? Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, girl. So it's like 11:30 in the morning. So we had a productive morning. We had breakfast. Baby girl has been like on me all day. She wants me to hold her like all day. It's so cute. I just love it. I'm literally about to lay across my bed. So this morning I got some work done and I don't know, I don't feel like doing anything else. I really just want to like lay on the couch and watch TV, but your girl has to work. Ugh. Another work from home day. Work from home mom. But baby girl is feeling so much better today. Her daycare did reach out to check on her, which I thought was really sweet. She will be back tomorrow. I will be back to work in the office. I'm gonna go in tomorrow, and yeah, I plan on doing some shopping today. So since I got the couch, I'm kind of like, okay, like the picture is like starting to come together, and I've been looking at like some home decor inspo. I found a like 5'3" like faux plant that I really like. My sister sent over like a whole bunch of like inspo. Like she puts like boards together and it's just like so cool. Like honestly, like she need to really get into it, because y'all, like even my baby shower, if y'all saw my baby shower, like my sister did like a lot of that like planning and like the mood board and stuff. She is a chef's kiss. Yes. So I found a rug. What else? I was looking for some more, I told you guys about the filling for the pillows that I'm gonna get, and then I wanted to get like some extra throw pillows. I wanted to get white, and then I found these really cute aesthetic like rope pillows, and a lot of the ones that I've seen, they're like the little balls, but these are, I don't know, they're just a different shape and they look really cute and unique, and I haven't seen anybody with them at all, honestly. So I think I'm gonna get those. And what else? Girl, I am like so hype about Fenty hair. So I signed up for early access. So I was online this morning looking at the products and the prices and everything, and I really want to buy. I was looking at Beyonce's line, Sacred, as well, and I was thinking about trying that, but I kind of think the price point is a little high. I don't know. I might still eventually try it. For some reason, I'm just more excited about Fenty hair, and I think it's because I'm just such a Fenty girl. Like I love Fenty. I love Fenty skin, all the Fenty makeup. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. So I will let you guys know if I decide to go ahead and I was gonna say add to cart, but it's already in the cart. If I decide to actually like make the purchase, because I do plan on doing like a full review and actually like using it on my natural hair, like, you know, once the sew-in is like out. So that is the plan. Baby girl is taking a nap in her swing, and it's like so early for her to take a nap. She woke up, she went to bed later than normal, around maybe like 9:15. She slept until 8 this morning, and she took a nap at like 10:30. So I was not expecting her to take a nap that early, but I was able to knock out a few things at work. I have a video that I am uploading to YouTube right now, which is going to be the video before this one, so it'll be the part 3 of the In My Healing Era. And what else, go? Yeah, my workout schedule has been completely thrown off this week. I managed to get in 3 days last week, so I was very, very happy. Yeah, with baby girl being sick and home with me, I don't have the time to go to the gym. And I know myself, I am not a workout at home kind of girl. Like, I just can't do it. I can't focus. Like, I literally need to be in a gym environment to really work out. So I will get back on my workout fitness journey this weekend for sure, but the weekday, it's shot. It's completely shot for the week. So I am about to go back downstairs, and I think it's almost like lunchtime, so I think I'm gonna take like my little like lunch break at work. I'm gonna make the tuna salad that I was telling you guys about, and yeah, see what I'm gonna actually purchase. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to mention, because I feel like somebody is gonna ask me, the couch, Amazon. Girl, Amazon, yes. I purchased the couch from Amazon. It was not Prime, so if you're interested, I always link everything down below, but keep in mind that it's not Prime. It took, I want to say, 2 to 3 weeks before I actually received it, and it came a lot sooner than expected. It was supposed to come next Monday, and it actually came, what, 9 days sooner, so that's a win-win. But yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all a little bit later. Did you just drop all your crackers on my floor? Ooh. Seriously? Nia? Seriously? Girl, you're making me do more work. Silly girl. Girl, you're so silly. Ooh, was that like a cough laugh? Ooh, girl. What are you doing? Girl! You know we need some toilet paper upstairs? Look at you being helpful. Look at you being so helpful, baby. Hey y'all. So it's a little bit later in the day. I apologize for the glare behind me. But yes, it's a little bit later on in the day. Baby girl just woke up from her nap. And yeah, I was watching The Ultimatum South Africa. Girl, my mama told me like it was like drama and it was juicy. So I'm like, oh, let me watch this. So I started watching it. I'm on the 2nd episode so far. Are you screaming? Hey, kitty. Hey, do you have snot? Oh no, we gotta wipe your nose. But yeah, so y'all, I need to get another what do you call it, like baby gate to go on the bottom of these stairs. Y'all look. I literally had to put her pack and play in front of the stairs because she's climbing the stairs. I have the baby gates on the top of the stairs, like how I have them right here. Those are like bolted into the wall. I'm just gonna get one of the adjustable ones that just like pressure against the wall. So yeah, but we're about to eat dinner. She's gonna have her leftovers from yesterday because she only ate the mashed potatoes. So hopefully tonight she eats her salmon and her spinach. I'm gonna give her more mashed potatoes, so hopefully she eats everything. It seems like her appetite is back. For breakfast she had oatmeal and avocado, and lunch she had oatmeal. She didn't want anything else that I gave her, so we shall see. I am going to I'm gonna saute some turkey, like smoked turkey sausage with like some peppers, and have that with some mashed potatoes because I need to eat the rest of those peppers. I made like half of it maybe a couple days ago, so I don't want it to go to waste, so that's why I'm not gonna have salmon. I love salmon. I get salmon every day. So that's what I'm gonna make. So we're gonna make dinner, eat, probably have me a little glass of wine, and then we're gonna head upstairs and get ready for daycare, work, and just our whole day, whole nighttime routine. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all once we are kind of like winding down. I want to take you guys through picking out her clothes, picking out my clothes. I wanted to do like a mini tutorial on how I get my voluptuous corals with my flexi rods. I feel like I did it like, ooh, I don't know, it was a while ago because I remember I was still pregnant. But I'm gonna do another one, and I don't know, I might actually also use that same content and repurpose it for Instagram because I have an MIA on there, so I might do it. All right, y'all, we have ate dinner already. So we are in Nia's room, and usually I have like all of her clothes picked out for like the whole week. But let me just show y'all her closet and kind of what we got going on. These are all of her outfits that are like sets, so I have them all hung up. I love these hangers. I actually got these on Amazon. They're velvet kid hangers, and I really like them because your clothes don't slip off. Like, I need them for my adult hangers. You want to get down? Want to play? Want to play? Go ahead. Yeah, so tomorrow it's gonna be 89-90 degrees, so it's gonna be really hot tomorrow. I had originally had this like really cute set for her, but it's long sleeve, and like I said, it's gonna be hot tomorrow. So I think she is gonna wear, actually she can wear this, or she can wear her little denim. That'd be cute. Yeah. I don't know, this is hard. Okay, so I'm thinking, see, this set is really cute, but the pants are so light, and she be crawling around the floor like nobody's business. So I think I'm just gonna have her wear this set that's already picked out. I know it's upside down, but it says loved by mama, with some black leggings, and I got her these little like pink shoes. I got these on Amazon too. These are really good for like when your baby is first starting to walk. So good. Very, very supportive shoe. Very affordable shoe. Okay. So do we want her to wear pink with these? Because I also got a black pair. They're a different style, but I just got these. Like, she wore these one time. So I think she's just gonna wear these with this. So this is gonna be the outfit. Yeah, that's gonna be the outfit. So I laid out her outfit, her shoes, and then I get her socks, put those in her shoes, and her hair bows. I always like to find hair bows that match her outfit. So I have all her stuff in like these bins up here. Are you trying to close me in the closet? So I showed you guys those bows that I got from Shein, and so these are the pink ones. So I think these are like a perfect match. I think that'd be perfect. So I'm gonna unhook those from here, and then I like to just clip them on her shirt so everything is like organized and is in one place in the morning to make everything easy. Yeah. Oh, she has these pink socks. These are a good match. So I'm gonna stick those in her shoes, and she's good. Now, my turn. Okay, y'all, so this is gonna be the fit for tomorrow for work. I'm gonna wear this top, and then I'm just gonna wear these black pants. They're like little ankle length pants, so that's what we got. And I went ahead and just got an outfit together for the next day. I'm just gonna wear those pants and this top with probably some sort of a blazer. So yeah.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be.
Good morning, girl. It is a few days later. Ooh, I do not want to hit this Brunch track really hard. Ooh. But yeah, girl, it's a few days later. How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? I am doing all right. I feel like I'm trying to get sick again. I have like a lot of like mucus and like phlegm in the back of my throat, so I've been gargling with salt water and that's been like doing amazing. So yeah, baby girl just got dropped off at daycare. I am on my way back home for a work from home day. I actually have a lot of things that I need to get done at the house because y'all know baby girl been sick, so she's been with me. So I haven't gotten a chance to do a lot of like the things around the house that I would normally do. So we are gonna tackle everything today. Very intentional about tackling everything. It's also gonna be a hair day. Y'all, my hair is a mess. It is a mess. So it's time for a wash. It's been 2 weeks, I want to say. So yeah, we definitely need to do that for sure. Hey guys, so I did a little work. I unfortunately did not get done what I needed to get done, so I'm gonna try to do it later. Talked to my sister for a little bit. I think I told y'all a few minutes ago, I think, that baby girl has a cough. So I just talked to her pediatrician. They recommended to bring her in like ASAP. I'm gonna go pick her up, take her to the doctor. They were just like, her symptoms are just lasting longer than normal, like it's been like 2 weeks, so they're a little bit concerned. So they kind of want to see what's going on. They think she just has like a lot of mucus and phlegm in her, and she's just like having these coughing fits, and then she's like throwing up. Yeah, I'm just gonna go pick her up, take her there, hopefully grab me some lunch because I really want some Chipotle. I'm like fiending for Chipotle, but we'll see. I don't know. I just hate that they don't have a drive-thru. When you have a baby, drive-thrus are just so clutch. Like, just give me a drive-thru. So I don't know, maybe I might just have it delivered. But do I want to pay $30 for them to deliver it? They're gonna charge me like $12 at the store if I pick it up. Anyways, her diaper bag kind of like packed and somewhat prepped. I just need to go through and just double check, like, okay, do I have enough diapers to make sure I have some formula in there, her little snacks or whatever, and all that. So I'm gonna go do that and yeah, do some little stuff over here, and yeah, that's the plan. So this is the TV that's supposed to go up here on the wall, but it's not mounted yet. So I'm temporarily using this TV since it has like the feet on the bottom. So yeah, this TV is temporary. So I need to move this TV out of the way. I think I'm gonna put it back downstairs for right now because I don't want baby girl to like trip and fall or anything. So that's what we about to do.
So I'll put everything in the bag. You're welcome. Have a good night.
Hi. Just picking up a prescription. I just do like one dose today.
I was gonna say I want to try to squeeze both of them in, but typically it'd be like once in the morning time, once in the evening time. It doesn't have to exactly be 12 hours. You're not waking her up or anything just to do it. So.
Hey y'all, it is nighttime, so yeah, today was a day. She still acted like herself, but she still just had this cough. And maybe like an hour ago she was like literally coughing so bad that she threw up. So the doctor gave her a prescription. You guys saw me pick that up at Target. So she was able to get 1 dose in today, and then she'll do her next dose in the morning. But I definitely noticed just the overall difference in her personality after taking the first dose and then taking a nap. She was definitely more bubbly and laughing and playful and all of that, so that was good. But I just got her down to sleep. I feel like I was just in the house a lot this vlog. Well, I went to brunch, but for the most part I feel like I was kind of just like in the house. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog off here. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna see you guys in the next video. We will be back onto our healing era chapter 4, so look out for that. Bye.